LJK Farms, 1960 Highway V, Owensville, Missouri, Gasconade County. This is an impeccable ranch and home with spectacular improvements. The property provides a wide variety of habitat and use. Great views from the house, outstanding cattle or equine property with great fencing, great cross fencing, and great water. 3 miles from Owensville within the Fire Protection District. As a turnkey cattle operation, there is 200 acres of good grass. 100 acres is bottom ground, with 60 acres currently in row crop production. The total tillable is about 120 acres. This custom brick 4,900 square foot ranch house has 4 spacious bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and many amenities, including a huge master suite. Hardwood flooring, granite countertops, and 2 geothermal HVAC systems. Completely upgraded in 2011. A decorative gated drive with 1 mile of asphalt road frontage. There are 5 ponds, and the larger ones are stocked and fenced with waterers. 2 deep wells. The show barn has 8 stalls with independent lighting and fans. Washing stall. Equine quarantine area. 2 offices. And a half bathroom with plank oak walls throughout the interior. Good roads run throughout the property. Concrete cattle guards and culverts. Intensely managed for hunting and fishing. Year-round Red Oak Creek, over 300 doves on opener, rabbits, quail, and trophy whitetail. It also has a chicken house, hunting cabin, 2 40 by 70 sheds, and a 20 by 50 loafing shed, available turnkey with equipment and furniture.